Yo, what up, Degenerate Trades? What's up, K Suleiman? What's going on? Voltern, what's good? Just hopping on. Just hopping on. I was editing the video. Oh, motherfucker! New hour. That's why. New hour. I was up. I was up 4 ticks in gold. Why? I'm fucking with gold again. But I was up 4 ticks. Now I'm not. Now I'm down 3 ticks or 2 ticks. I don't even know. The only reason I got in gold was because we came up to the previous day's high, and it looks like we just came back down to it and bounced off of it. So now I'm kind of fucked, I think. We'll see. We'll see. Gold bounced hard off a fucking VWAP. It bounced off the VWAP. Oh, I'm kind of fucked here. Yep. What are we up? From VWAP, we're up 54 ticks. Oh, here's a pivot point now. New pivot point. Brand new pivot point just appeared out of nowhere. Will it matter? Doesn't look like it's fucking mattering. Does not look like it's mattering. I took this trade in my Take Profit Trader account, and I was up $190 or $120, and I didn't take it. So, of course, the new hour made it pump. If I was in long, the new hour would have made it dump. What up, Koffa? What up? So that's my situation right there. Fun times. What up, Kiwi? Yeah, love to see it. Love to see it. I was up too. It couldn't just keep dumping. Why wouldn't it reject off the? Oh, hold on a sec. Oh wow, that was a nice rejection. That was a nice dump from the Qs and Q. 715 to 17 points. 17 points. That was nice. But no, I decided to take gold because it hit the previous day's high, and then fuck. Hit the previous day's high, and now it's got a pivot point here. But let's see if it holds it. I don't know. Let's see if the pivot point holds as resistance. What up, Newts? What up? Nayo, what's going on? Kamikosmic. And of course, I'm getting fucked by gold. What else is fucking new? Why do I even fuck with gold? I was up too. Should have just taken my like $90, $120. Getting fucked by gold. Love it. Why do I trade gold? I'm trying to figure it out. I thought maybe, you know, the previous day's high would matter with gold, but apparently gold does not give a fuck. Maybe it would have mattered if I didn't want to take the trade. Look at this shit. Getting fucking my ass handed to me. Oh yeah, keep fucking pumping. Oh yeah. Let's fucking add some more. Let's DCA like a motherfucker in this shit. Oh yeah. Every tick is 10 points. I'm in 5. So every tick in gold is $50 in one way or the other. Either way it goes. Maybe it'll come back down for me. Yeah, gold. I fucking hate gold. But here I am still fucking trading it. Yeah, degenerate trades. Nah, I like trading the overnight. And I like hanging out with cool people during the overnight. So it's the best of both worlds, but I don't know why I fucking gold. Now I'm gonna have to fucking, I'm basically undoing what I did yesterday. I think I was up $1,185 in this account yesterday. So this is kind of taking me away from my goal of passing this by the end of the week. I have 3 days left to accomplish that goal, and I am just fucking myself right now. So let's keep adding. Order filled. And then we'll see what happens. It's amazing how none of this shit even matters. Gold doesn't give a fuck about the previous day's high. It doesn't give a fuck about a pivot point. It just does not give a fuck, like Eminem. Gold just does not give a fuck. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Am I getting some? Am I gonna get some fucking love here? Oh, here we go. Here we fucking go. Keep coming down. Oh, my computer's starting to move slow. I think it's time for me to. I gotta restart my laptop. Not tonight, obviously, but not gonna do it tonight. Can we keep coming fucking back down? No, that was my chance to get out of that shit. It literally came down to my average fucking order. I feel like it's like I'm experiencing deja vu all over again. What up, Create Wealth? I fucking hate gold, and I'm here trading it. NQ might bounce. I believe it. What do I have open that I need to fuck it that I could close? Finder. Why is Finder open? Hide. What else? What else? I think that's it. Oh, here we fucking go. Let's go, you motherfucker. Oh, I'm in 6, so every fucking tick is $60. Oh, because I added again. Take me out of like fucking 3 right here. One time for the stream. Let's go. Create Wealth trades gold every day. Yeah, a lot of people do. I'm just trying to figure it out, but like I watch it and I'm like, oh wow, it looks like it might want to bounce off of VWAP, and sure enough, it did by like 40 fucking ticks. And then now I want to play. I wanted to play a rejection off the previous day's high, and it just kept going, blew right through it. I was up like $90 for a second. I was up like 90 to $120 for a split second, for a fleeting moment, and then now, who the fuck knows what's gonna happen? I went down. I was down pretty big just before. Degenerate trades. My candles, my candles confuse you. I'm just on the 1 minute chart. 1 minute candlesticks. My candles confuse me. Come down to this fucking 34. That'd be cool. Come down to the 34 one time for your boy. Let's fucking go. I'm green now. Let's go. Ew, look at all these fees. $15 in fees? Jesus Christ. For 6 fucking. Oh, hit it. Hit it. Take me out of some of this shit. Delayed movement on this fucking shit. Ugh. Gross. I'm not gonna fuck around. I'm gonna lock in gains. Take me out of half though. That'd be fucking awesome if you could do that. For the stream. Do it for the stream. Let's go. Whatever. We'll see what. Oh, hit it. Keep going. I'll take that.
Stop field.
That's cool. That works. I'm up 210. I'm up 210. Jamila. You know what I'm trading right now? I'm trading your Bay. Yeah. I'm kind of, I'm not zoomed in as much, but I like to kind of see what's going on to the left. So I kind of have to do this. You know what I could do though with my Take Proper Trader account? I could do this since I only have one Voltaren, bro. Dude, you didn't have to do that, man. You did not have to do that. But thank you so much. Big shout out to fucking Voltaren hitting the super chat, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. Fucking dude, I don't even know. I never know what to say to people that do this, but really, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I really, man, you're awesome, man. Thank you so much. Everybody in the chat is fucking awesome, but I really appreciate you doing that. Um, Thank you so much. Yeah, we are getting this. We're getting this. Here comes the dump. Here comes the dump. Oh, I was gonna say, here comes the dump now that I'm out. See, like I lost on these three. I lost on these three, but then I gained big on these three. Not huge, but 90 on two. Was that four? I don't even know. Whatever. 90 on two, 110 on another one, and then these I lost like fucking $20. I got 20 on that one, so 20 on that, and then I lost 20 and 40. Actually, yeah, that was a good trade. Not a bad trade. 27, 20,000. Yeah, on it is a fat iceberg. Yeah, can't get below it. Oh, here we go. Here comes the dump. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, Voltaren, man, thank you so much. Let's all pound the confetti and the hearts and the 100s for Voltaren. Really appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hell yeah. All I want is positivity. Anyway, is that better? Yo, I think that should be good, right? Degenerate trades. I think that's much better. I zoomed in a little bit more. It's because when I like log out, when I get logged out and I log back in, it kind of goes back to the default view. So I gotta like fuck around with it some more. But that was cool. That trade right there. What up, AS? Yo, create wealth. Yeah, man, it's the best code ever. Thank you so much, man. Oh, here it goes. Here we go. What I get taken out at? It's only a couple more ticks. I had a feeling it was going to come to at least at a 34, but maybe not. Maybe not. Let's go, Nao. Just take your time. Take your time. Yeah, on the NQ, it just keeps bouncing off 700. Like it's getting a little bit underneath it, but really it's just bouncing off of this lower VWAP band. Let me zoom in on this a little bit more for everybody. Uh-oh. Laptop is running slow. I feel the lag. I feel the lag. It's been good for like a couple of weeks since I restarted it. Now I feel like I got to restart it again. That's the only account I've traded. I haven't done any trading since the market reopened. This is my first trade I took all day for the Wednesday trading day. So, um, I would like to. I got these accounts. So check this out. So these are my PAs. So 76 right here. I'm on day 8 with number 76. I am literally knocking on a payout's door. I am $262 away from putting myself in line for a payout. I'm on day 8. I need to trade for 3 more days. Today, tomorrow, and Friday would be days 8, 9, and 10. And then on 77 and 78, I'm up 2,000. I had a really good day yesterday. I went up. I did over 1,600 bucks. It was like 1,614 bucks in both of those accounts. I needed that because the first 2 days I only did like 389 total in both accounts. I'm copy trading these, by the way. So, you know, definitely looking to. I could probably push this over today. You know, because if you do the math, like I'm averaging what? I'm at 2338, and I did that in 7 days, so I'm averaging like 334 bucks. Nothing crazy. I'm not doing any like monster days with that account, but I'm just taking, slow and steady, you know, just eating the elephant one bite at a time. Mentalix, what's up, man? Mentalix is in the building. Oh, nail. Using the best code. You guys know that Apex extended their 80% off sale for until the rest of the month. They're habitual sale extenders. Me and Jamila were talking about it. Habitual. I say it all the time. You never know with them because they are habitual sale extenders. And sure enough, they extended the sale for another 21 days. Go figure. So 80% off is still in play. 1 day to pass. All that good stuff. $35 resets. The $85 lifetime PA activation fee for the big accounts, 150, 250, and 300. Those are actually that's good until August 15th. That side piece deal, the $85 lifetime activation fee, um, 85. What's up, MG? 85 bucks only for the big accounts. Only for the 150, 250, and 300. You pass those, you could get lifetime activation for only 85 bucks. So, with that said, in the spirit of being habitual, since they're habitual sale extenders, I just happen to be and Nao, I appreciate for using my coupon code. Thank you for the support. I really appreciate it as always. Um, yeah, yeah, Nao. I mean, that's the tricky part with the 50Ks. It's 1100. That's why I like. What's up, Toxic? That's why I like the. That's why I like the 150Ks. But you have to go up $90,000, 9,000 just to pass them. So it's like a cat. It's a double edged sword. Oh my God, here it is. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Look at that. I got out at what? 78, 78.9. It came down another 8 ticks. I was in six. I would have gotten taken out of three. What was it? What was my order that I canceled? This is fucking messy. Hold on a second. That's as small as I can make that. Just gotta. I'm just trying to. Average fill price. All right. So where's the canceled order? What the fuck? There it is. 779. No. Oh, I had an order down there. Fuck, man. It would have hit it. It would have fucking hit it. That would have been what? 30 times another 180. We bouncing here? Oh, no. We're going to keep going down. So look at this, though. I got to restart this computer. Here we go. Look at that. Finally, we wicked way over the fucking previous day's high, but here we are. The candle is still right at the previous day's high. That's what I thought was going to happen. Let me go to the 15-minute because there was a pivot point right there. There it is. We're rejecting off the pivot point. We did wick way over it. All I had to do was just hold a little longer. Mallow Legacy, what's up, man? You got denied payout on the 5th. I had 16 days traded on 5th since I was the 9th. That means now I have to trade 10 more days from the 5th to qualify payout request again. Yes. Just trade your way out of whatever violation. She'll create wealth. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what they want. They want us all to fucking. They want us all to. They want everybody to try to pass full port for fucking CPI. I think that's happening on Thursday. They want us to full port for CPI. Yeah, so Mallow Legacy, you just gotta. Would you get a DCA violation or a consistency rule violation? That's usually the only two that they'll. That's most. You're gonna get denied at all. It's most of the time it's gonna be because of one of those two. Which was it? One thing behind me. Oh, the fucking this thing. The little window in the door. Oh yeah, if you do it right, for sure, without a doubt, without a doubt. Yeah, let me move. Let me move a little away from that, so you don't think I have a mohawk. Yeah, it's just a door. Yeah, toxic. I don't know. Also, you violated the 30% rule. Gotcha. Yeah, so just you got to trade your way out of that. Basically, just have 10 days of not violating that. You have to get your account to the point where none of your trading days are what you call it. 30%. You have to have not a single day that's more than 30% of your total profit. I think that's all the 30% consistency rule is. Is Apex Discord totally dead? No, they just basically at this point it's just a place for announcements. They don't have the discussion. There's no discussion board anymore. They got rid of that. Shit got super toxic, and it wasn't just because of customers complaining. It was also fucking mods just being, you know, mods just had enough of people asking the same questions. Which what do you expect? You got a ton of fucking people using your platform, a ton of new people to prop firm trading or to your company. Like, what do you think's gonna happen? They're gonna ask the same fucking questions. So you can't expect them to look through the discussion board for that question. So anyway, whatever. It got super toxic in there. Bolter, when I DCA, I clean my early entries to have one or two remaining so the risk reward makes sense again for the bigger play. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. AS. I would never buy, me neither, bro. I would never buy an Apex eval without at least 80%. It's 80% or nothing. 90% obviously is amazing. Yeah. They just suck in with promos. It's just fucking, yeah. Just like their 1 day to pass AS. Yeah, the Toxic Sage, that sale is extended by till the end of the month. But the 1 day to pass, it's been 1 day to pass since like fucking April, right? What are we on? So April, May, June, probably since the end of March. April, May, June, July. I mean, we're in the fourth month of having 1 day to pass. Always, always. I'm gonna see what my stats are. I haven't. Oh, so you know what? I forgot since we're talking about Apex, I totally forgot to drop the link, and I'm a habitual link dropper. Apex is a habitual sale extender, and I'm a habitual link dropper. Apex, 80% off until end of month. 1 day to pass, all that other stuff, all the usual shit, everything else. And then Take Profit Trader, they are still doing 40% off any size test account, $0 upgrade fee. Um, So if you pass the test, right, if you pass the Take Profit Trader test, you don't have to pay the upgrade fee. It's waived. And of course, the best code, best coupon for Apex and Take Profit Trader, ZERODAYJAY. It's the best in the world. The prop firm streets have spoken. So send it. What's up? What's up? Send it. Yeah. Gold is fucking gold is going nuts. Like gold. I hope gold gets to 2400 just because I'm holding some. Look at this. This gold bounced. I posted this in the Discord. Gold bounced off the bottom orb. Uh, like a bunch of hours ago, and it hasn't looked back. Basically at 2369.7. So it went. Let's just say 2370. It's up. Wait, let's see. Yeah, it's up. Let's see how many fucking ticks. It's up like fucking 705. So 700. Yeah, it's up like 90 ticks. It's up like 90 ticks since the bottom orb bounce. So all you have to do is get in one mini and just ride it long, and you're up 900 bucks with one mini. What's up? Yeah, man, it's fucking crazy. Gold is crazy. I want to get good at trading gold. I just want to trade with gold, but it was not looking fantastic. You know, I had to fucking DCA like a mofo just to make it work, and I could have gotten smoked. So, it is what it is. Yeah, gold is, yeah, it is beautiful. It's beautiful in my hands for sure. I can't believe this shit is lagging already. It's only been a couple of weeks since I restarted it. How many Chrome? Do I have any other Chrome windows open? No. What about? No. Nice bounce though. Like 20 tick bounce right there. Don't need this tab. Let me just make sure that yeah, it's still 40% off. But you don't want to use their shitty code. You want to use the best code. Their in-house code is the worst code. What up, Apex Trades? You're just as much of a degenerate as I am. Yeah, they did. Yeah, they have. It's up extended 21 days to the end of the month. Watch. I'll show you. I posted it on my community page. Whoops. I took a screenshot of. I checked it. I checked it like earlier tonight. Took a screenshot. There it is, right there. 80% off. 1 day to pass. 21 days. It's like 20 hours, 22 hours, whatever. But basically till the end of the month, until the 31st. So there it is. I don't know what I this was on their website. It said on their website, it said best coupon code ZERODAYJAY. I don't know what the thanks Darrell. Darrell's hooking me up. He literally put this on their website, so I took a screenshot of it right there. You see that, guys? Oh my god, it's fucking crazy. Crazy. These guys are crazy trying to hook me. They're hooking their boy up. Yeah, the big ones are still 40, I think. Pretty sure. Let me check their Discord. Are there any official announcements? Rules, disclaimers, promotion updates, no new promotion update. They have nothing. News feed. Social media. Happy 4th of July. All right. They haven't posted shit in here. So I'm just under the impression that everything has been extended. You know what I could do though? Yeah, let me log in. I'm gonna do this. Let's see. La, la, la. Let's see if the big ones are still only $40. I'm looking right now for you guys. Yep, they're still $40. I just charged with a 250K and it's $40. So I would assume that the 300 is the same thing, and the 150 as well. So this was a nice bounce. Not really. I mean, what we got? 98.25 to 4. It's not bad. 15 points, 16 points. Not terrible. Real Darrell. yo, Real Darrell. Thanks for putting my coupon code on the fucking on your homepage, bro. I appreciate it. It's fucking hilarious. It's hysterical. Oh shit, create wealth is bird. The bird is the word. So let's see. On the holy fuck. Gold is fucking crazy. Let's see. Let me put some moving averages on here. This shit is going parabolic. Para fucking bolic. Let's see. Let me go to the hourly. I want to see what's to the left. I need to see what's to the left just to get an idea of what's happening here or what might happen. Hmm. You think it comes here and then rejects? I'll draw a line there. I'll draw a line in the sand. It might not make it up that far. Well, man, you know what? It's not that far away. It's 6 ticks. It probably will. Or is it coming up here? Right here. Just learning how this shit moves. 2383. Yeah, we're at that. We're at 23. Yeah, 2383 is up here. Yeah, right at the top of all these hourly candles where all the wicks were. All the wicks start right around that same spot. Jamila. Where's Jamila at? What's Jamila going on? Long all day. What up, Asian Munda? What's good? The human indicator. Getting 19 150Ks with the best coupon code when I get paid. Awesome, bro. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't wait for you to get paid, bro. You fucking it's gotta be any day now at this point. Jamila's gonna get 20. Awesome, Jamila. Yeah, it's still one trade a day. What's going on, man? It's still 80. The $85 activation fee for the bigger size accounts is good until August 15th, from what I understand. Today will be 4 business days. It took when I got paid, and this was before they fucking started fucking around with payouts. Um, my first payout, I it took seven days, so I got approved on the 6th, and then on the 13th the money hit. Yeah, that's a good deal. That's a really good deal. They like people. They want people in the bigger accounts because they're harder to pass. They're harder to pass. It makes sense to me from a cash flow standpoint. They're harder to pass, and then when you get them, when you do get funded, right, they're harder to get to a payout because you have to, with a 50K, with a 25K and a 50K, it's only 1,600 and 2,600. With a 150K, it's 5,100. With a 250K, it's 6,600. With a 300K, it's 7,600. Those are big numbers that you have to get to. I mean, people do it, obviously, like Newts. I think Jamila's up. Jamila, I think you're up. I saw your screenshot. I was I was looking to the peephole of the ladies' room. We got a peephole in there, guys. Just, just so you know. And I saw your screenshot, which is fucking great, by the way. But for most people, it's going to be tough. So it'll and not even if people are able to get payouts with those bigger accounts, it might take them longer to get the accounts up that high. So just another way for them to save money, I think. What's up, Elver? What's going on, man? Gold's probably going to dump when Powell speaks at 10 East EST. I hope I'm still sleeping at 10 EST. My son's fucking opening every day this week because my daughter's not there to open anymore because she quit. She moved on. She got a job at Starbucks. She's moving on up, like the Jeffersons. So, and she was doing everything there. She was literally she was the unofficial manager of that store. She did everything. She ordered all the produce. She fucking did all the scheduling. Anytime there was an issue, anyone else was having an issue in the store, they called her. Now she's not there, so she made the schedule one last time, and basically to make her life easy, she made my son. Her own brother. She did it to her own brother. She made him open like 9 days in a row. You're at 72.56 and 78.99 on day 6. Yeah, damn, Jamila, you're fucking great. Jamila is a fucking killer. She's a stone cold killer. Let's pound the confetti for Jamila. Such a killer. On day six, so you're averaging, let's just say, on the big one, 7,900 divided by, you're done, right? You're not, I think you said you were done trading. You're averaging 1,300 bucks a day. Yeah, so you're well within the consistency rule, that's for sure. You didn't have any like monster days, did you? You didn't have any days more than like 1,980, did you? On these accounts? My wife calls it shit bucks. Yeah. You know what's crazy? Like pound that shit like roast beef. I say that like fucking 30 times a day. My wife's like going delirious. Um, you know what's cool? Like she could take home a free bag of one free bag of coffee a week. So long, long, long. Yeah, we're fucking pumping right now. What's the NQ doing? NQ's pumping? No, kinda. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, so you average. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect, Jamila. That's perfect. I think my boy Conrad, who I play baseball with, is watching the stream right now because he just texted me saying, "Man, I need to buy gold with you." Yeah, Jamila is a fucking killer. Yeah, if you're over, yeah, now like, yeah, newts because it's 30% of your total profit. So now that she's higher up, like now that her profit is higher, she could go up. She could go up higher. But you know what? 12 to 1,400 a day is a nice little sweet spot. Nothing wrong with that. In the beginning, though, you don't want to go up more than 1,980 until you get that at 6,600. But yeah, it's all about a percentage. It's just a percentage of the total profit of your overall profit. I'll be right back. I gotta get some water. Sorry, guys. I was checking to see if, yeah, Jamila, I'm on the same boat as you. I was checking to see if the dog we're fostering was still upstairs in one of the dog beds because he's been sleeping down here every night. I've been sleeping down here with him. And then we tried, we let him go upstairs, and then we tried to see if he would just hang out in there, but he just kept getting up. He just couldn't get comfortable, so he came back down. But he's been sleeping. He's been in that bed for like fucking 2 hours now. He hasn't moved, so maybe he'll stay up there. Which means that maybe I could sleep in the bed tonight. That'd be amazing in my own bed. Yo, real Darrell. Yo, hey, real Darrell. We're all trying to get paid here, pal. Yeah, we don't need to be. Don't make me and Jamila breathe and relax. Well, Jamila's already over. I'm not over yet, so I'm not putting the cart before the horse. I'm gonna work my account up, keep working it up. I'm knocking on a payments door right there. These fucking three. Well, this one right here. I need my coins, Darrell. What are we doing here, huh? Real Darrell, no DCA allowed. Yeah, Lil Rel, no DCA allowed. Fucking funny. Don't DCA. Don't let me catch you DCAing, says Darrell. What's up, JJ? Yeah, I mean, all we keep doing is hitting new all-time highs. We hit a new all-time high today again. It's fucking insane. Actually, did we? No, yesterday, earlier in the day. This is the new all-time high right here. 771.75, I guess. Just every day. Now it kind of, yeah, I don't know. It does look kind of, I mean, it looked like it wanted to go short, and then it fucking bounced on the London Open. We bounced basically back to where we came from. We're basically at the same spot. So it might keep pushing up, but who the fuck knows? Nobody knows. I just want to draw a little. Just want to draw a little bit here. I want to see where the fib is at. We hit the 707 yet, or the 786? I'm just curious. Probably the 707. I gotta go way down. Or the 618. Hold on. The range is just so big. I have to fucking. Yeah, we're at the 618 right now. If I include the wicks, if I get rid of the wicks, then I could just manipulate this any way I want, obviously. We're just talking about the candles. Whoops. It's still the 618, so it doesn't even matter. Uh, let's draw it like this so we can see the full range from yesterday. Here's the yesterday's low of day, and here's yesterday's high of day on the NQ. Yeah, he's not that bad. It's just it bounced because the 10-year spiked. Interesting. Yeah, I'm sure. Look, say what you want about Dorrell and Apex. You don't see him walking around talking shit about other prop firms. You know, so take that for what it is. Can't say that for other. What up, motherfucker? Hey, look, everybody, it's motherfucker. But yeah, I mean, even with this, like, all of like, it's fucking moving at a fucking snail's pace at this point. It's barely fucking moving. Look at the 5 minute. These candles are so small on the 5. On the 15, Eh, we're right at the we're at the upper of the VWAP band. And then if you look at gold, gold is fucking, oh shit, gold is pulling, gold almost hit this line I drew right here. And then it fucking rejected what? Uh, 18 ticks. Motherfucker's up 1200 on two 150K PAs. Great fucking job, motherfucker. That's a great motherfucking job, bro. Let's pound that fucking confetti like roast beef. He'd much rather have a beer with Darrell. I bet yeah, he should just not, he shouldn't make any videos for Apex. Him or John, or Jan, as we like to call it. He's also up 1200 on a 50K PA. Great job, man. Yo, the only thing you got to worry about with that 50K is now did you violate the consistency rule? You know, that's the thing you got to keep into consideration. Fuck, I'm sorry. I'm tired, super tired here. You got to take that into consideration. Is it have you violated the consistency rule? Now, if you did, you're going to have to grow it even more before you can request a payout. Let's say 1200 was your biggest day. When can I take a payout from Apex? Um, I mean, I'm getting close. I'm getting close. Right here, I'm on day 8. So if I can push this over by the end of the day, if I can push this over to 26, I need to get to 2600 in profit. So here's the account. I'll make it bigger here. So I'm at 52,338. If I could push this over, I need to get it to 2600. I need to get it another 262 bucks between now and Friday. If I could do that, that would be Friday is my 10th day. I can literally request a payout on Monday. Monday's the 15th, I think. Your highest profit day is 600. How much are you up? How much are you up overall in that 50K? JJ, that's in 13 minutes. That's in 13 minutes. So yeah, I'm not trying to stay on all night tonight, though. I apologize in advance. I would like to. Oh, you're up 1200 overall. Okay, I thought you meant you were 1200 on the day. That's good, man. Cashed out 15K from Top Step today. Damn, bro. Fucking. What's up, Vivek? Requested on the first, still pending from Apex. It's not that far. I mean, I think they could take until the 15th to decide what they want to do. Vivek, it's not out of the ordinary. Let's pound this fucking confetti into submission for Elver, pulling out 15K from Top Step. Holy shit, bro! Great job, man. Yeah, so if yeah, motherfucker, you're good. If your biggest day was only 600, then you're more than good. Let me see what my performance is, because like right now, like yeah, as much as I want to take a trade, like I'm not really liking what I'm seeing right now on the NQ. It's just basically playing in this like 4 or 5 point range right now for the last what half hour. So that's kind of boring. And then gold is moving. Gold is moving a lot, but now gold is kind of. I mean, I'm on the hourly chart here. Oh fuck! Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I traded my take profit trader account. That's the first thing. I was in a trade. I was in a trade when the stream went. I got in a trade and then I hopped on the stream while I was when I was still in the trade. I'm up and I that trade netted $210 after fees right here. I got in right around here. I got in at like 11:53 p.m. my time and got out. It was like a 20-minute trade. So I'm up $210 on the day. That's the only trade I took so far since I started streaming because, well, obviously I missed this. That was a nice little pop. 23,779 to 23,815. So is that 35 ticks? 35 ticks is nice. Yeah, I do. Motherfucker. Listen, motherfucker. You could get 90% off of Bullinox with code ZERODAYJAY. Hold on, let me just confirm that because they bounce around between 90% off and 83% off. Let's see. I'm gonna tell you right now. And I think Bullinox is, the only thing about Bullinox is, yeah, it's 90% off on the front end, but a 50K account is $148 to pay the upgrade fee. So, so you're all in for a funded 50K account with Bullinox, $165. So I don't know if that's something I don't know if that's something you want to fuck with. You could be all in on a take profit trader account for $102. You know what I mean? But if you want to fuck with Bullinox, here's my link. I like Bullinox. They're legit. Also, you have to trade Rhythmic, 90% off Bullinox. The only account size worth getting with Bullinox is the 50K. ZERODAYJ. The only one worth getting is the 50K because they have, it's like progressive, the size accounts. Yeah, you can get 90% off any size account, but the upgrade fees aren't 90% off. So the upgrade fees on the fucking 250K is like $900, which is nuts. Yeah, you have any take profit trader accounts? What up, Tiago? There's also my funded futures. I still want to get. I've been meaning to get a fucking one of those my funded futures accounts. Oh, look at gold dumping. Damn. So we hit a new high a day, right? 2381.50, and now we're down to 2378. So we're down 14 and 15, 29 ticks from that top. Interesting. There it is. We're right at the pivot point. Are we gonna fucking bounce here? We're right at the pivot point, and then you have the previous day's low. Is that the lower day? Oh, I thought that was the higher day. Maybe that's why. It's not the higher day. It's the lower day. I don't know actually. I can't tell. The fuck? Oh, it is yeah, it's previous day's high. Previous day's high, right there. So we came back to the pivot point. Let me zoom in on this shit. We came back to the pivot point. Here is the previous day's high. You got the 9MA here. You got the upper VWAP band. The VWAP band. Man Money Futures Trading. That motherfucker appeared last night and said some disrespectful shit about my wife right on the fucking stream. And then also said some, just came on with that negative fucking energy. So I just fucking put him in timeout. Everything of his was too small, yeah. Especially his fucking positions. Talking all this shit on my stream in the chat, trying to tell people how to trade, and he's trading one micro at a time when he streamed himself. Fucking how oxymoronic. But anyway, fuck that guy. Let's keep the fucking. Thanks for asking, Mad Money Futures Trading. What up, Mark Anthony Joyce? Monster head and shoulders on a daily on gold. Interesting. Let me see. Let him go fucking disrupt somebody else's fucking stream if he hasn't gotten kicked from those either. All right. All right, I'm on the daily. Let me just fucking zoom back in. Here's the daily. Is this the shoulder and this the head? And this the shoulder? Is this an inverted head and shoulders? Is that what you're talking about right here? I mean, I would love for us to get back up. Get it. This is the high. This is the. I think this is the all-time high of gold. 24.55. Is it? Just about. Damn, I gotta restart this fucking computer before tomorrow. Before I stream tomorrow. This is brutal. It goes from April of this year. Oh shit. Maybe I can see it better on the weekly. Oh, here's the head. I guess. I don't know. Looks like we're in a massive bull flag on the weekly. Holy shit. Look at the weekly. Here's the flag. I mean, here's the pole, the flag pole right here. And then here is the fucking flag. So that'd be crazy. That would take gold to 2,500. Gold's going to hit 2,500 at some point in the next fucking month or two. That's wild. What's up, Dip Rip Scalper? All right, motherfucker. Be good, man. Mr. Misek Trades, what's up? Yeah, I was the only one. I was the only. Well, I don't know if I was the only one, but I was. I tried, man. I tried. I tried. I tried. That's the only thing I could say about that. Yeah, I tried. I was trying to be cool, and you just, you know, I tried, man. I had a lot of patience. I had a lot of patience, and it just, you know, it is what it is. What up, Dip Rip? We're still breathing and relaxing. Lots of breathing and relaxing. Yeah, I don't really see a head and shoulders there either. Sorry, Mark. Am I on the gold chart? Yeah, I am on the gold chart. Could you imagine I was on like the NQ this whole time looking at the shit? Yeah, NQ is just still going fucking sideways here, not doing shit. Um, I mean, it did hit. I mean, it did hit a high day, 720 right there. Now it's back to 714. I mean, I just don't. I don't. It did break out of this range that it was trading in, but now it's right back in it. Yeah, 50, 60 people watching. It's light. It's almost like people aren't around, and it's not just my streams. I'm noticing everyone's streams are fucking light on the attendance because I'm usually at like. I mean, I don't know. Maybe at this time I'm usually at like 70 or 80, but who knows? Maybe this is just the new. This is how it's going to be. Apex trades. What session do I tend to make most of my trades in? Uh, New York. I'd say New York. There's nights. There's nights when the NQ is ripping during the overnight, and I'll fucking take trades. But like my funded accounts, like I have my PA accounts. I don't know if I want to trade my PA accounts right now. I'd rather wait for the market to be moving more and catch like yesterday. I took one trade. I took one trade with 76. Well, I got in a mini. I got in a long. I went long with one mini, and then it dropped a little because I played the bottom orb bounce yesterday on the NQ. I got in at the bottom orb, and then it wicked below it, so I added towards the bottom of the wick, and then it came back up, bounced off the bottom orb, and then before I knew it, I got taken out of my position, and I was up $333. Like I'm good for the day, you know. I love when that happens. One trade, and then yeah, and then also during the same session, not too long after that, we came down to the pivot. We came back down to a pivot point, and I played the pivot point bounce with 77 and 78, and I got in, and then I got back in again. And before I know it, after two trades, I was up $1,614 in these two accounts because I copy traded them. And I was like, I'm fucking done with those. And it was great. I love when that happens. It's not always that easy. So a lot of there's days when like it's like a fuck. It's like pulling teeth to get to like a respectable profit number for me to say, all right, I'm good. What's up, Cosmo L? He didn't do anything. Just ran his fucking. Just came on my stream after not being on there for 2 weeks and fucking, you know, came with the fucking just blatant disrespects, talking about my wife and her OnlyFans. I'm like, for starters, my wife doesn't have a fucking OnlyFans, so I took it as a compliment. I guess he was saying that he's jealous of my wife or something, or he wishes his wife was as beautiful as mine. I don't fucking know. In case my wife's watching, she's sleeping. She's actually sleeping. But it was just I was like, okay. It just started. I put an end to that shit right away. But like here we are again, like crude dumping. Yo, I saw that. Crude was dumping before. It's still dumping. Let's see where fucking crude's at. Let me change crude to 15. I don't feel like opening another tab on TradingView. Yeah, it fucking dumped. 82.49. Holy fuck. It's like 160 ticks that it dumped. That's a monster dump. Well, Adam, what's going on, Adam? Hope you're doing well. I don't like to put the carpet before the horse. Let's say I were to get to 2,600, I am requesting the max payout, and I recommend anyone who gets to a payout with Apex request the max payout. Take as much money as you could get because you just never fucking know if you're gonna get back there. But yeah, I don't want to put the cart before the horse yet. I still need to get another 262 bucks, and I need to survive. Not survive, but I need to get to the end of day Friday. End of day Friday is day 10 for me. I'm on day 8 right now. Today's day 8. Let me just double check that. PA. Let me go to members. Let me go into my account. Spam me. Go ahead. I don't fucking care. That's my fucking email address. What? Authentication problem? Am I logging into my account too much? Oh, I can't log in. Uh-oh. That happens when I was logging into my phone a bunch of times today. Let me see if I can log in on the fucking browser. Well, I'm logged into my account here. I'm going to my PA charts. Yeah, I'm on day 8. I'm on day 8. I'm on day 8 on number 76, and I'm on day 4 on 77 and 78. So I can, technically, I could put myself in line for a payout on all 3 of these accounts during this payout period. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, like next Thursday would be day 10 would be the 10th day for 77 and 78, the 250Ks. What's gold doing? Oh wow, gold came up to that fucking line I drew and went over it. Gold is crazy. Let me wow. What the fuck? Sorry guys, I had my chart got all messed up because I went to the daily to see what Mark Anthony Joyce was talking about. All right, here we go. All right, so we're still back at this pivot point. Back at this pivot point right here. I mean, we could bounce from there. I mean, it's like we wick down. That shit looks like shit. Let me fix this. Make this more opaque. I think that's the word, opacity. I think it's the present tense is opaque, some shit like that. So that's that. Now I can see. Now we can see. You see that? Now we can fucking see it. Style, daily low. Let's make them look the same. Let's make them shits opaque as a mofo. Make the There we go. Now we can see it. Let me get rid of all of this shit. There we go. So we kind of wicked down. We wicked down. We got below the pivot point. We wicked below the pivot point. Hit the fucking previous day's high, and we're bounced off of it right now. And it looks like we might go up another leg. I could be wrong though, but that's what it looks like. Joe, what's up, Vince? What's going on? What's up, 100 lot? What's going on? How many contracts am I trading? My 50K PA? Most of the time, just one or two. You can flip contracts on the for the last for 2 of the 10 days, yes, but yeah, I don't know if I'm going to. I don't want Apex to be like, oh, did you not see we changed the rule? I'm pretty sure you can still flip contracts. Yeah, I'm 100 lot. I bounce between 1, 3, and 5. Yeah, on the 250K. Like Adam, I'd rather make, I'd rather get over 2,600 today. I'm not going to force anything, but I'd rather get over 2,600 today and then coast into the weekend. Perfect world, of course. Perfect world. I just don't want to put too much pressure on myself. Looks like we're fucking popping here. That's gold. Well, this is the NQ. NQ is pumping shit. See, now we got some shit happening. 14 points from the last bottom. Like, where is this right now? Anywhere? Not really. No man's land. Let's see what the hourly looks like on the NQ. Vince, take it. Yeah, yeah. Take a 1 second trade. Just flip a micro. Yeah, Adam. I've been there so I've played this game so many times, like with these fucking funded accounts. Like I'm not counting the money yet. I don't want to start counting the money. I have to get that shit over first. You know, did I get the My Funded Futures account yet? No, I have not gotten it yet. I've been so focused on these Apex accounts and Take Profit Trader, the one Trade Profit Trader account I have. Look at this. Oh, it's bouncing right off of that shit. So tempting. So tempting. Let's see. Not six. Let's start with one. Oh, too late. Maybe not. Oh, it's right at what the fuck? We're right at the previous day's high at the pivot point. You got the upper VWAP band here. Here's the 300. Here's the 8 MA. I don't fucking know. A lot of shit going on over there. Let me get rid of the moving averages because they're just in the way. I've seen enough. I don't need to keep them on. I see what we're looking at here. This orange line is the 300. Oh, I just got filled. I'm about to fucking be taken on a journey with fucking gold. Every time I take a gold trade, it's like a fucking journey. It's an adventure. Let's see if this one. Let's see if this could be an easy trade. Will it be an easy trade? I don't know. Probably not. Oh shit. Like I'm cool. Oh, can I fucking? Oh,
Rejected.
I just tried to fucking put a stop in, and it fucking typical fucking bullshit. Because my fucking computer is running slow. I couldn't get the stop in fast enough. Now I'm gonna be fucking. Now this position is gonna go backwards on me. I was up $40. I would have been perfectly fine with $40. Honestly, I was perfectly fine with $40. Yeah, I'm long, Jamila. It does move slow. Asian moon is the human indicator. Maybe I'll get another chance to get out of this shit. I'll fucking let me put a stop in place here and I'll just drag it up. I'll just trail. I'll just trail. Watch me get stopped out here. Look at this shit. I was just up $40. I've been fucking around with gold in this account all night. Well, I made one trade basically that I had to keep DCAing. Yeah, I'm playing the bounce off. I'm trying to play the wrong chart. I'm playing the bounce off of. We got a pivot point here that we came back down to. We got the previous day's high that we're at right now. We have the upper VWAP band. I feel like there's a lot of support right here. That's why I'm going long. I was just up $40 and I couldn't get out of the fucking position fast enough because that's just how it is for me when I'm trading gold. Jamila said I should be short. Jamila's probably right because Jamila is a fucking killer when it comes to trading gold. But whatever. Let's get back on my. Holy fuck. I hate gold. I fucking hate gold. Let's see. Where's the next fucking area? Is it just gonna. I like this fucking place for a fucking to add. Holy shit. Oh! Locking it in.
Stop filled.
King Kong ain't got shit. Wow, I tried to add. I was gonna add too. Yeah, I gotta restart this laptop before I fucking hop on tomorrow. Oh man. I fucking hate it. I still hate it. I still hate it. Oh, it's gonna keep popping now. Well, it's at the 34. Is it gonna reject off the 34? Does it honor the 34? Nice little. It's still going though. It's up another 4 ticks, 5 ticks from where I got out. I could be up another $40. If I would have added, well, I would have loved to have added there because it came back. It came down to the. I keep going to the NQ chart. Fuck me. Uh, it literally came down to the upper, as Patrick Weiland might say. I don't think Patrick Weiland looks at the upper and lower VWAP bands. He just has the VWAP on his chart, as he likes to call it. So I call this the VWAP band, the upper VWAP band. What a fucking little bounce here. Damn, I wish I was still in. Damn, I wish I was still in. It's already, oh, I got 8. It went up. It's up 10 ticks already. It was up 10 ticks. Gold is resting after ripping. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, I want to get this Take Profit Trader account to 9,000 by the end of the week. So I'm kind of just, focusing on that during the overnight, and then, once the daytime comes around, like tomorrow, like when I wake up or whatever, I'm going to be fucking with my PAs, especially this one. I'm hoping to just get in and out real quick and call it a day and move on to the next one, and do the same thing. Yeah, gold is fucking pumping again, isn't it? Well, kind of. It was. I don't want to say pumping. It's just bounced off of this level here, like I thought it would. I'm just learning how the shit moves, but I just some things just remain the same. Like you got previous day's high, you got the pivot point, you got the VWAP band, got a lot of fucking support right there. So I figured it was going to get something. Hey, if anybody's hanging out on the stream right now and you're enjoying yourselves, you like hanging out with all of us degenerates, you like watching the degenerate trade. Um, Would love to have you as a subscriber. If you're not yet a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. We're making a push to 2,000 subscribers. Um, Obviously, I want to keep growing the channel. But yeah, we get to 2,000 subscribers. I'm going to do another giveaway. I like doing giveaways at milestones, not just for the sake of doing giveaways. So we did it. I did my first giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Gave away, what I give away, like 3 or 4 accounts, and then I did it at 1,500. I was going to do it every 1,000, but I was like, yeah, let's do it at 1,500. Gave away a few more accounts. So at 2,000, we'll give away some more accounts. We'll just keep doing it every 500. But either way, don't just subscribe because I'll be doing a giveaway in like a week, in like 2 weeks, or however long it takes me to get to 2,000. But subscribe because you like hanging out with all of us degenerates. We got a nice little community growing here. As you can see, it's, you know, good vibes in the chat. You get to watch me trade, and then you get to fucking hang out with awesome people in the chat. Um, we're always hanging out. It's like it's becoming like an event. People fucking come to hang out. They know that a bunch of cool people are going to be hanging out in the chat when I'm streaming, so they come and hang out. And you get to, there's some really, really good traders hanging out in here, much better than me. Um, but I'm getting there. I'm getting better every day. But yeah, I stream during London. I hop on between 2:30, 3:30 a.m. Eastern time, and it's been, how long have I been on for? 79 minutes. I've been on for 79 minutes. Sometimes I hang out till 3, 4 in the morning. On days that I know I don't have to wake up. So I gotta be up I have to be up in 4 hours and 35 minutes. Yeah, we share the same pain. You get to, as much as embarrassing as it is when I go on full tilt and fucking start nuking accounts, it's the worst. It's the worst, but it's probably really fun to watch, or painful to watch. But it's like one of those fucking car wrecks that you're fucking driving past and everybody's looking at it. You can't not look at it. You can't look away. So sometimes that happens when I'm streaming. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why it's been a little light, because it hasn't happened. As soon as, it's funny. As soon as it starts happening, next thing I know, the most people are on. It's fucked up. People love that loss porn. NQ's calling me to go long. It's funny. I haven't looked at the NQ at all. It does look like it wants to fucking pop. But I got to be up in 4 hours and 35 minutes, which is fucking brutal. I have to do that all week. My son said he doesn't want to open. He said he only wants to open once in a while, not every fucking day. I wonder if they're going to try to groom him to be the next fucking manager. My daughter was, as soon as she turned 18, she was going to be officially made the manager of that fucking store, but she wanted out. Here we go. Rejecting off of some random fucking level here. Let's look at the hourly on the. I'm going to zoom in on this too, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not. It's kind of small. So here's the hourly chart on the NQ. I mean, I guess. I mean, it's down 10 points from the top of that wick right here. It's interesting. Uh, extended line, ray, horizontal line. So this wick, that's actually not bad if you look. You could add text. You could add text to a fucking horizontal line. That's cool. Send it. Study Stacy Burke trading on YouTube. The 3 session and 3 day rule. He just closed the stream. Stacy Burke. Never heard of him before. It stopped right at yesterday's point of control. What's up, Send? That you lost your connection? JJ doesn't trust it. I don't trust it either. It might though. I mean, if it does keep going up, I could see it coming all the way up to like the 50s or just 50 right here. I mean, if it comes up here, I mean, I'm not going to be awake for when it comes up here. It just doesn't look like it's going to rip. I mean, it's just moving so fucking slow. Like if I go to the 5 minute, yeah, it's up. Obviously, it's up, but the candles are so small on the 5 minute. Tiny candles, tiny classified ads. You ever see? You guys know who Don Lapre is? Tiny classified ads. What's up, JX? Yeah, volume is super low, Nao. Super fucking low. Damn, he's got a fucking big channel. I feel like I've seen this guy before. I feel like someone's told me about him. Gold heading higher. Where's gold at? Damn. I really fucked that trade up. Look at this shit. I got out here for fucking 40 bucks at 78.8 and it went up 16 ticks from there. What up, Bowser? Crude 4 day reversal caught that low. Powell talking again at 10 a.m. Yo, this guy just loves fucking hearing himself talk. Fucking Jerome Powell. I will not be awake when that happens, thank God. Gold ain't moving. What's crude doing? Whoops. Yeah, crude fucking dumped before. Crude. Hey, don't be crude. Let's see. Huh. Is this the right one? 81.28. That's a nice little bounce right there. What is that? 19 and 20, 47 ticks. If you got in at the bottom there with 1 minute, you'd be up 470 bucks. You've been in gold since 718. I just look at the last three numbers because then I could do the math easier. Semi-annual. Oh yeah, yeah. He's testifying or whatever. He's giving his testimony to Congress. Bowser. Yeah. It dumped. It dumped. Now it's starting to bounce. I would love for it to get to the 21. That fucking might go short in that shit. Not with a funded account though. Huh. Interesting. I'm fucking tired. Yeah, I mean, yeah, NQ kind of popped, but really it's still just going sideways. Like I'm not impressed with what I'm seeing with the NQ right now. On the 15 minute, it looks pretty good, but look, we keep hitting this level and rejecting off of it. 728. That's interesting. Oh my god. Fuck. Sorry, guys. Kind of tired. Kind of tired here. Yeah, this is like watching paint dry. Hmm. What's crude doing? I feel like I could pass out on this stream like any second. My infused root beer has me feeling tired. Yeah, this is like a snooze fest. This shit. I took a couple of trades though. I'm up 245 bucks. I really could have been up like another 100 plus if I would have just held a little longer. But that's typical of me, especially during the overnight. I fucking just wanted to lock in gains, and sure enough, it fucking took me out and then bounced and just kept going. But it is what it is. I can't complain with $245 in gains. Snooze fest. What are we doing here? Man, this is like pulling teeth, like watching paint dry. So fucking slow. What's crew doing? That's crude. Look where crude. Well, I mean, I don't want to say it bounced off the pivot point because that's not true. It went below it and then bounced. Normally, what's up, John O'Connor? How you made a good trade and it only happened in one account? Ugh. At least you still made the good trade, though. You should feel good about making a good trade. What's up, France? Create wealth. Yeah, it's choppy. It's choppy. It's moving super slow. It's literally making me fall asleep. It's like watching paint dry. What's popping? I'm, whoa, what was that? I'm just sitting here breathing and relaxing, waiting for the market to do something, anything, but it's not looking good. And I got to be up in 4 hours and 20 minutes. So I'm thinking, I'm thinking I might get off. I wish I could stay on. I wish I wasn't so tired. I wish I didn't have to wake up at 5:53 in the morning, West Coast time, which is what 8:53 a.m. East Coast time. Brand new whip just hopped in. Oh fuck, Tiago, gold is everything's stolen. It's just fucking super slow. Well, I mean the NQ is kind of pumping. Yeah, this is fucking brutal. Oh, um, well, he's got to be there at 6. He's got to be there at 6. It's literally only like a 3 or 4 minute drive. I just have to pull out of my neighborhood and cross like a major road, and then it's right there. But I just like, I just like setting. What's up, 6 Billy Bands? Vince is gonna get a 150K apex and full port for CPI. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. If you're right, I guess you could get two. You should get two and go long in one and short another, right? Because you could do whatever the fuck you want. But yeah, I like to first for starters. I like to wake up. I set my alarm for odd numbers all the time. Yo, does that mean the fucking money hit, Newts? Hold on a second. Did I miss something? Did the money hit, bro? Tell me the money hit. Yeah, I thought it was. I thought it was a lyric. I thought it was lyrics, but I thought you were singing the lyrics like, "Yo, the money just hit, brah." What's up, AS? 6 Billy Bands. I trade New York. I trade New York. I'm not scared of New York. I'm just not trading. I just don't trade the open because I'm sleeping. I did fucking damage there in New York yesterday. What's up, Nina? Nima. Sorry. What's up, Nima? Yo, Voltaren, I need an extra. I need the 2 minutes. I need the 2 minutes to like wake up and pee and maybe drink some water and then fucking hop in the car. He's waiting on me. He's already up. I'm doing good, Nima. I hope you're doing good too. What's popping? Sounds so familiar. I probably if I heard it playing. Actually, that reminds me. Fredo, Fredo put a Nas song in the fucking. There it is. This season. I want to listen to this song. I bet it's fucking dope. What's up, Isham? What's going on? Bowser, crude's getting to my level, huh? Oh, it's approaching the VWAP band. That's on the hourly. Hold on, let's see what the 15 is looking like. Oh, is it at the, it's getting to the 21? Is that what you're saying? Oh shit. No, it's way over all that shit. It's just riding up this nine EMA. Damn, that shit's popping. You got a nail in one of the tires, you're gonna get all new tires, or are they just at that point where they're fucking bald? Why don't you just plug the nail? Why don't you just pull the nail and plug it? Does crude honor the fucking VWAP? How the account's looking? Well, I haven't really traded today. I only Everything's looking good though. I haven't traded, but overall, like this one's $262 away from qualifying for a payout. Oh, crude is hitting the 21. What the fuck? Why does it look so much different on? So weird. Why is that? CLQ4. Oh, it's the 15-minute chart. That's why. I was like, why does it look different? This I'm on the 15 on this one. Interesting. Got new tires on the RAV4, but they never reset my tire light. Maybe they didn't put a new TPMS sensor in there. What's up, Moose? I got my car at the shop right now. I'm getting fucking my mechanic fucking bent over and didn't use any bent me over and is not using any spit. But I needed a bunch of shit done to it. I've been needing new shocks. The whole shock setup in the back, the rear shocks with the coilovers and the tower and all that shit. I needed that shit, and then I knew I needed some like I knew I had some like front end shit going on, like with bushings, like cracked bushings, and I could just hear it. So all that's getting fixed, and then I wanted an oil change, and then I needed in the front my rotors need to be cut, and I need new pads, new brake pads, and he's gonna do a fluid flush. Let's just say it's not gonna be fucking cheap. All that shit adds up. Lexus OEM shocks are a fuck ton of money, even on an '05. Anyway, low battery. This shit is fucking boring. Sorry, guys. you know, I wish I could take more trades, but I'm just not feeling any of this. These are the last two candles. They barely moved. On the NQ, on gold, we popped a little bit off of the upper VWAP band, and the previous day's high, and we're above the pivot point, but like it's just moving so slow. Crude is fucking moving a little faster. Crude is pumping. Crude is pumping. Crude is up 81. It's up 72 ticks from the bottom after dumping like 160 ticks or something like that. Yeah, NQ's moving like a sail. Asian Mund is still long. Yeah, I mean, you're probably going to stay up. Yeah, he's changing my oil. He's definitely changing. I knew I needed all this shit done to it, but like that's the thing about the old LS 430s is like because it's got 156,000 miles on it. That shit won't need to be replaced for another 150,000 miles, and that car will be around. I don't know if we'll own it. I'm giving it to my son. He's gonna get it. He's gonna have his license in a few months. Well, he's due for his road test. I mean, he needs to get all his hours in, but he's gonna be taking his road test in like a month or two. I'm not gonna give him the car right. It really all depends if I can find another one. I want to get another one, but the shit that needs to be done to it needs to be done to it. End the story. And even with all of that work I'm throwing into it right now, my cost of ownership on that car since I got it is still less than $400 a month. And it drives like a fucking, that shit is baller as fuck. For an '05, that shit is baller. You love how many EMAs I have? I have EMAs and SMAs on this thing, Asian Moon. It's all over the place. But it's calculated. Like this light purple line right here is the well, on the 1 minute chart, it's the 5 minute 21 EMA. I'm actually on the 15 minute chart right now. But on the 1 minute chart, let me go to the 1 minute chart on the NQ. So this light purple line on the 1 minute NQ is the 105 EMA, which is the 5 minute 21 EMA. This darker purple line is the 105 SMA, also the 5 minute 21 SMA. And then you have this teal line. This teal line right here is the 34 EMA. This white line is the 34 SMA. I like to play 34 EMA and SMA bounces and rejections. Sometimes it gets through the EMA and hits the SMA. Sometimes it just bounces right off the SMA, and then sometimes they're flip flop. The same thing happens with the SMA getting passed first or whatever. And then I have the 200. This green line is the 200 EMA, and then the yellow line is the 200 SMA, and then the orange line is the 300 SMA. And then the blue, like I got so much shit on here. The blue line here is the 9 EMA. It's a lot of shit, but it makes sense for me. That's what I'm saying. Like I say it all the time. Like right now, there's 64 people hanging out on the stream. I guarantee you, not everybody's chart, not a single group. Everybody's chart looks different. I guarantee it. What's up, Southside player? What's good, man? Even the New York, yeah. I mean, I took a couple of trades. I'm up 245 bucks in my take profit trade. Oh, I'm up 245 bucks in my take profit trader account. Am I playing fucking a rejection on crude here? I'm, this shit's gonna keep going up, isn't it? Let's fuck around with crude. Where's crude at on the fucking chart? Jesus, that's a fucking. We blew through the bottom orb. We're at a pivot point. I'm marketing in right here. Let's see what happens. Let's see how fucking much this backfires on me. This is my cue to go to bed. I should have went to sleep, and now I'm fucking with crude like a fucking degenerate. This is some degenerate shit because I don't ever trade crude. I haven't in a long time. But man, we're at a key level here. We just popped up. We blew through everything and hit a pivot point. We blew through the upper VWAP band. We blew through the bottom orb. And now we're blowing through this pivot point. And here's the top orb right here. Top orb is at 81.81. Crazy. Look at that fucking thing. Let me make this fucking. There we go. Now I can see what the fuck is going on. Shit was way too zoomed in. Holy fuck! I'm down $220 already. Jesus. Well, there goes all my gains. I'm at the top orb. All right, but is the top orb gonna fucking hold here or what? Let's see.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in 4 now. Let's fuck around and find out, shall we? And then I'm going to bed. Let's see what happens here. Hit the fucking top orb. What am I in? Oh, yeah. Keep going. Keep fucking going. Keep going.
Stop filled.
Locked in gains. I don't care what happens. I shouldn't have been fucking around. Crude is harsh, yeah. Crude, you know what they say about crude, Tiago? You fucking newts. Oh my god, it's so fucking true. Yo. Oh look, it would have hit my take. Where's my take profit at? Where was my first fucking sell at? Let me move this up. I can't fucking see. Where's my first sell? I think I had it like right around here. 81.67. There it is. It just hit 81.66. So I would have gotten taken out of half right there. Whatever. I got 100. What did I get? $140 or so? I don't even know. After fucking fees, I was up. Look at that. It would have fucking. I'd be fucking. Yeah, but I mean, look what's happening. Look at the fucking chart. Like it's. Here's the top orb. I mean, my entry wasn't the greatest, but here's the top orb. We blew through the bottom orb. We blew through the fucking pivot point, and then we hit the top orb and finally rejected off the top orb. I love changing direction trading. You know, I just had to add. I just had to fucking DCA gang. What up, Paul Gonzalez? Yeah, crude. You know what they say about crude? It's crude. Get it? Oh my god. Oh, the shit is still going down. I love getting out of a position and then watching how much more money I could have made. So I got out at 81.71. It's down fucking it went down 8 ticks, 9 ticks. Is it gonna bounce off this 21 here? Oh, it is bouncing off the fucking 21. Well, what is that on this? I don't even know what that is on the fucking 15. It's the 105 on the 15. What the fuck is that then? I don't even know. But all I had to do was hold a little longer. What was I in 4? I would have gotten taken out of 2 at 67. I got out. I mean, it was another 4 ticks. So it would have been another $80 there for sure. $80 guaranteed I've lost that one. What's up, Black Beauty Machine? You like that, Tiago? Crude is crude. Damn, create wealth, 48K. Jesus. Thanks, Paul. I'm trying, man. I'm just trying not to let I'm just like, yeah, I'll fucking sit here and say how much I hate gold when I just started trading gold again. I'll say how much I hate it, and I'll fucking get annoyed like when I get taken out of a position, no matter what the instrument is, and then it keeps going. in the direction that I was in to confirm that I was right, but I only got baby gains, so I'll get annoyed by that. But I haven't, in terms of like controlling my emotions, like when it comes to tilt, I've had that shit. I've had that shit in check for sure. So thank you, Paul. Thanks for noticing. Damn. I like this. I like being up 365 in this take profit account. I still need to get it up another. I need to grow this thing by another fucking 7,800 bucks. That's a long ways to go. Like I need to have like a 2,500. I need to have like a $3,000 day today. I'm nowhere near that, and I don't want to put any pressure on myself. Damn. Fuck, man. Yeah. Look at. I mean, the NQ looks like it's bull flagging here on the 15-minute, but like the last three candles, the last 30 minutes, the last 37 minutes have been literally nothing. It's been sideways. Gold, gold is just kind of going sideways right now. It hit its head on this little fucking trend line. Now it's rejecting 807. I mean that's 17 ticks. I mean, it's not. There's definitely the money to be made right there. 17 ticks is good. I have a feeling it might fucking fall below the previous day's high, but who knows? Yeah, Paul. I mean, the crazy thing about that, Paul, was smart Greeks. You still did you get approved? I think I would just hit up support and be like, "Is there something going on with my payout method?" I would just confirm your payout method is good because if you got approved, they should have sent the money. They should be sending the money. I don't know how it works international though. You ask this every time you hop on the stream. I don't know. I don't know the answer, but I wish I could help you, man. I really wish I could help you. I don't know if there's enough international people on here that have gotten payouts to answer that question for you, to help you. At that point, I would hit up support and just wait for them to get back to you. They will eventually get back to you. But yeah, Paul, what's crazy about a couple of weeks ago was I had two 250K PAs at just under $5,000. I was trading them very well. And then I decided to trade fucking gold with them for the second time ever, and that was a bad idea. And it just kind of put me into a downward spiral that day, and I smoked them. We have international people losing money. Newts received payment from approval on 624 and 628. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, man. A ton of people I know got paid. A ton of people that hang out on the stream got their money. So I don't know what's going on with you, but I'm glad you submitted a ticket because they'll be able to tell you what's going on, like what happened or whatever. So I hope you get that resolved soon. Yo, Newts, Newts was like, "Yo, what up, boy?" Cash Trizzy Woo, what's up, man? Go short in what? Gold, crude, or fucking the NQ? What's crude doing? Is it still dumping? Oh my god! Oh my god! It fucking did. Yo, I was just in this shit. Look what happened. So I got out at 71 and it went down to fucking 50, 52. It went down 19 ticks from where I got out. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Whatever. I made money. I made money. I got a hundred something dollars. I'm up 365. So after fees, I got 120 bucks on that trade. But man, it could have been so much better. 19 ticks from where I got out. I would have gotten out, 80, whatever. I'm just doing math in my head. It's just fucking crazy. Could have been another couple $100. I mean, I don't think I wouldn't have gotten all of it. Short 100 contracts. Bowser, I was right. I was right. I definitely was right. Like I saw the chart, I read it right. I was like, we're gonna, I was thinking we were gonna reject here. Then I was thinking we were gonna reject here, but sure enough, we rejected here. It makes sense. Hit the top orb. Now we're at the bottom orb. We rejected all the way to the upper VWAP band, and now we're bouncing again. I don't know. I don't watch crude enough to know like how it's going to behave. So, but it's moving. At least it's moving. Crude is moving. Gold is barely moving. Gold is like literally not doing shit, but it's moving more than the NQ. The NQ is barely moving. Very interesting though. I'm glad some of the shit that I like to trade, like I like to trade reversals and bounces at certain key levels, like the bottom orb, the top orb, pivot points, the VWAP, upper and lower VWAP bands. I love all that shit. So it's cool that these other instruments. I haven't tried lean hogs yet. Do I want to trade lean hogs before I go to bed? Never traded before. Never traded it before. Maybe I should enter a trade for lean hogs instead of going to sleep. When I talk about the orb, what indicator is that? It's the opening range breakout. Um, so the opening range, the first, it's the 15-minute orb I look at. The first 15 minutes of when the market opens. So when the market reopened at 6 o'clock, here's the opening range. Here's the NQ. The range is 680, 450. Let's say 684 to. Oh, now the NQ is moving to 694. It's only 10 points, but usually it's a little bit bigger. But that's just what it is today. But it's this indicator. Sorry, you asked about the indicator. It's right here on TradingView. It's Orb 15-minute by Equity Dorai right here. This one right here, Equity Dorai, Orb 15-minute. So it's defaulted for the 15 minutes. Some other orbs you could change the time frame, like this one, ORB opening range breakout by ZZZ Crypto. You could say set the opening range to platinum. Shit, Tiago. My boy Conrad, who I play baseball with, is sending me text messages telling me about fucking copper. So yeah, there's a bunch of lean hogs. There's corn. Trade Chinese dog meat futures. Oh my god, dudes. Yo, fucking guys are fucking funny. Yeah, dog. Yeah, I've seen some shit. I I don't even know how it even made it to Instagram, but I follow certain accounts on the gram. And one time I saw a fucking dog in a wok, and I cannot unsee it. I haven't been able to unsee it yet, and it was like a year or two ago. And I just thought about it now. I've totally forgot about it until fucking Newts had to say trade Chinese dog meat futures, and it fucking put that fucking shit was way back here somewhere, and it fucking brought it all the way to the front. Thanks to you, Newts. Yeah, yeah. This is the one I like. I have the 15-minute by Equity Dorai. But this one right here, if you want to do different time frames, some people like doing the first hour. So you could do the first hour with this, or you could just draw it, right? If you want to do the first hour, oh wow, NQ is kind of pumping right now. Up 9 points. It's not really pumping, but this for the overnight, it's pumping. Oh, it's a new hour. We're approaching a new hour. Makes sense. Gold is kind of just not doing shit. Crude pumped back up. Look at that. Bounced right off of the VWAP band. Up how many fucking ticks? 16 ticks? Not bad. Um So like, check this out, Paul. Wow, NQ is fucking pumping right now. If you wanted to get the first hour, all you have to do is, so this is the 15-minute chart. So here's the opening range. The first 15-minute candle, the high and the low, is the opening range breakout for the 15-minute orb. So that's where you have the high and the low. That's where the green and the red line is. And then you just keep going. Here's 15, 30, 45, 60. The high in the first hour is right here. So if you wanted to just draw it, if you wanted to keep the 15-minute orb, but also draw the hourly orb, right? The first hour orb, you could just make a fucking continuous line right here. Right there. And then like you can make that, you can change that to green. I don't know. I'm just spitballing here, but just an idea how easy it is to just get, once you have the 15-minute, you could just literally, you don't even need the orbs in there, but you could literally just draw them yourself if you wanted to. But why draw it yourself and then you could write in here, where was it? Add text. It's not letting me, there we go. Instead of saying hi mom here, you say top hourly orb. Cool. So just for me, for shits and giggles. Now I got to move this shit all the way back. I got to restart this thing. What's up, Zach? Judah. Damn, what happened? Male gossip is a disease. Next time I'm getting a generator. RT, RTR. My mother still in the dark at her house. Why? Oh, because of Texas? Maybe that's why there's less people on. Yo, Fert, are you guys in? Yo, what's up, Zabak? That's why it's been fucking like, yo, you guys got fucking wrecked over there, didn't you? You guys are all in Texas? Gary Wall, holy shit, everybody just fucking got their power back and now they're on the stream. Yo, what's up, everybody, man? You guys are okay? Are you guys all in Texas right now? Yo, TC, holy fuck. That's crazy. Where did it hit? Hurricane Beryl. That's right. All I know is that shit was heading right towards. Did the oil refineries get fucked up too? I'm just curious. Wow. Why is it in most? Look at all these dudes from Texas fucking popping on the fucking stream. So the refineries got fucked? Seems like the fucking storm was steered right into those things just to fucking take out more infrastructure. Yeah, it was coming right. Yeah. Shit was steered right into the oil refineries. Yeah, that was natural disaster, man-made natural disaster. Anyway, that's fucking. Well, I'm glad you guys are all okay. I was wondering why like it's been light the last couple of days, and now it makes total fucking sense. Makes total sense. That's fucking crazy. Well, I'm glad you guys are okay. What up, C. Charisse? Why are you looking at crude to be bullish? I don't know. Is that why crude is down a bunch because of the fucking hurricane? Dude, that is nuts. Tay, here's another one. All you guys are in that area. Loper. Yeah, she hasn't been on in a while. Holy fuck, man. That is crazy. Fucking hate hurricanes. I don't miss them. I don't admit we actually got a hurricane. We got some whatever there was some hurricanes. There was a hurricane that blew through fucking like San Diego, and the rain fucking like it dumped here. It dumped here for a while. For like a couple of days it dumped. Like I don't know why you would want I mean, damn bro, lots of deaths. Are you serious? That fucking sucks. I don't miss any of that shit, man. We had, New York always got hurricanes. Like we had Hurricane Sandy, that shit was fucked up. We had Hurricane Irene, when you know, but you guys get fucking hammered lately. You guys had what the fuck was that one? Was it Hurricane Harvey or whatever? Damn. Well, I'm glad you guys are okay. Fucking crazy. You guys just gotta fucking hunker down. Like we don't get any of that shit out here in Vegas. We'll get we'll get what the fuck is it? We'll get like typhoon. No, is it typhoons or cyclones? We'll get something that rolls in and then it's over with. Oh, monsoons. We'll get monsoons. That's what we get. Yeah, Andy and Irene. Yeah, for damn guys. Well, it's good to see you all on here. I was like wondering, I was like, why is it so fucking light? Why am I looking at crude to be bullish? I'm not really sure, France. I'm not the expert on crude, but it does look like it wants to bounce some. I mean, it hit the top orb here. I mean, it just bounced like dumped, and then it bounced. It's up fucking from the last bottom. It's up like 100 ticks. It went up as much as 100 ticks. It just pumped, but I don't know if it's going to keep going up. I have no idea. I can tell you one thing: I'm not going to be awake to see it happen. Yeah, Hurricane Katrina displaced New Orleans for a long time. I remember that I remember seeing like they put a bunch of people from New Orleans into the Houston fucking dome. I remember that fucking shit show. And then Kanye's like saying George Bush doesn't care about black people. Fucking Kanye. I love Kanye. He wasn't wrong. But yeah, fucking crazy. Damn. Look, all you guys literally all just got power at the same time. Look at everybody hopping on. So let's see. TC, lots of people's food went bad. Zayback. So watch. Everybody literally popped on at the same time. World Above, Zayback, TC, FERT, RTR, Male Gossip is a Disease, Judah, Gary Wall, TC, Why Is It in Most, Loper. It's fucking crazy. World Above. Yo, there's like 12 of you. Tay. Damn. See, Sharice, are you in Texas too? Or you just hopped on the stream? Fucking crazy. Jesus, man. Fucking wild. Wild shit. Wild. Fucking wild, man. Well, I'm glad you guys are okay. You're in New Orleans. Close enough, though. I'm sure you got some. I'm sure you got a little bit of some ripple effects of that weather, that hurricane that just came through. Yeah, man, that's fucking crazy. because they're the land is worth a lot of money. But yeah, like Texas and Florida, New York too. I I remember when Sandy came. So I lived on Long Island, right? The whole South Shore of Long Island got fucking was underwater up until like nobody's on here. Nobody's on here right now from Long Island. Um, but like during the New York session, like there's a lot of people that are from New York that have been there, that, like they lived there at some point. Oh my God, man, Gary, all the food went bad. Yeah, yeah, like hurricane season is upon us. Like Florida, New York, Texas now. Like my brother-in-law, well, my sister-in-law's husband, he worked for Con Ed. He lives in they're in Florida now, but he worked for Con Edison, which is a big electric company in New York City, like in the Northeast, huge company. And Puerto Rico, what was the hurricane that destroyed Puerto Rico like 5 or 6 years ago? Whatever that hurricane was, um, he was down in Florida. He was down in Puerto Rico for like a month, rebuilding that whole shit with with a bunch of crews. He was down. They sent him down there. Like he always like anytime there was some crazy storm shit, he would fucking get the overtime. Like he would take the overtime, and they literally sent him down there for a month to fucking help rebuild the infrastructure of after the fucking aftermath from that shit. Fucking crazy. So I guess crude. Yeah, it makes sense why crude fucking dumped because the major. I mean I could be wrong, but the major fucking oil refineries in Texas is all got fucking pummeled from that fucking hurricane. Hurricane Maria. Did Apex do something stupid while you were out? um, I think people were having rhythmic issues, but they extended their sale, so their 80% off sale is good until the end of the month. NQ is pretty bullish for an overnight. Yeah, it keeps going. It keeps moving. It was doing nothing for like, and then out of nowhere, it just fucking popped. This new hour, it popped. Not a ton. Gold was pumping. I don't know where gold's at now. Just still. I mean, it's 808. My 808 to like 25. It's down 25 ticks from this last high. That's $250 on a mini. Yeah, man. Yeah, nothing crazy, Zayback. They just extended their 80% off sale. So the 80% off sale was supposed to end on Tuesday. They extended it until the end of the month because they're habitual sale extenders. We broke a triangle on the NQ. Yeah, this shit's kind of pumping right now. I mean, it's up. It's up like 35 points from this low right here. It came down to the but like this type of move would have happened in like an hour on the fucking on the during regular New York session. This shit took fucking how many candles? One, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on. It took 3 hours to move 35 points. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it's bullish, but it took 3 fucking hours. What up, realist? My Uzi weighs a ton. Public enemy. Hold it now. Fucking, you ever watch The Flavor of Love? That shit was must see TV. Flavor Flav grew up in a town like a town on Long Island called Freeport. I think he's from Freeport, which is like 20 minutes from where I grew up. I could get to Freeport in like 15, 20 minutes. Zach, if we're gonna keep going, I mean, are we gonna make new all time highs again? I mean, the fucking all time high is right here. It's not that far away. It's 42 points away. Less than 42 points away. 41 points away. I wouldn't be surprised if I fucking wake up this morning later on and we're fucking making new all time highs because it seems like we just keep doing it. You so tall, I'm gonna call you a tree. Yo, you know what's crazy? That fucking girl, Hoops. Remember Hoops on that show? Miss New York, New York was fucking wild. She's crazy. She was so crazy she got her own show. But Hoops, Hoops ended up with Shaq. She's not the biggest fucking girl. She's short and fucking she's with Shaq. What does Shaq wear? A fucking size 22 or some shit? How does that work? Public Enemy sold out like Rage Against the Machine. Did they really? Well, like when you like they're so fucking so far removed from when they were actually making money that I guess they do what you got to do to get money and feed your family. Yeah, Hoops was hot, and then Shaq ended up with her. It's like trying to ram a fucking train in a tunnel that it's not supposed to fit in. Crazy. So Zach is targeting 27.39 for and 7.49 for those of you that take profits. Yeah, it's fucking yeah. Right now, there's no volume, that's for sure. But it did pop. I mean, it did pump right there. That was a nice little pump because it was doing nothing for like 45 minutes, and all of a sudden that happened. But yeah, crude is still dumping here. No, it's still hanging out in this spot right here. Looks like it wants to pump though. We're gonna go up another leg in crude here. This is the 15-minute chart. I can see it's going up another leg and coming to this 200 on the 15. Terry, fucking Terry, bro. You oh, you say that every time you come on the stream, bro. Are you trying to spread the good news? Are you spreading the gospel of the BBC? Oh my god. Do I think Apex will last for the next 10 years? Oh man, I'm not laughing at your question, Adam. I'm laughing at fucking Terry. Oh my god, it's hysterical. Oh my, all you can do is laugh. I can't get mad. See, I'm half Sicilian, so that's got to be good for something. What do you think, guys? Adam, do I think the next 10 years? Do I think? I think the better question to ask Adam is: do you think prop firms will be around in the next 10 years? That's I don't know the answer to that question because what up, Bruce? It does seem like a fucking it does the whole prop this whole prop firm world seems like the fucking wild wild west. And then you got like we have the new prop firm Fast Track Trader. I haven't talked about it, but someone sent me a screenshot of the fucking founder saying there's a delay in payouts. Sorry guys, we're gonna process them as quickly as possible. Meanwhile, they're accepting payments in fucking Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dropped like 25-30% in the last bunch of days. Yeah, Topstep might still be around. We'll see. I mean, I could see a citizen Israel. What's up, man? I could see a Terry, did you hit and run with the BBC comment? Like, where are you, bro? You still out here? Oh my god, Terry's fucking power came on. I don't know if Terry's in Texas too, but let's just pretend Terry's in Texas. His power came on, and he decided to hop on my stream and say, if we could get every white woman to experience BBC, the world would be a better place. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe. I mean, who knows, Bruce? Nobody fucking knows. I don't. I'm not even thinking 10 years from now. I'm thinking about. You know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking about the next fucking 3 days because I'm on day fucking 8. I'm on day 8. Tomorrow is day 9, and then fucking Friday is day 10. And I want to get my PA fucking 76 over 2,600 within these next 3 days so I could get a fucking payout. I'm not thinking about 10 years. I'm thinking about 3 days. Oh, Terry's still here. Terry's still here. All right, cool, Terry. What are we looking at on the NQ? The 3 minute candle on the NQ? Yeah. Didn't Top Step just fucking update Top Step X and then everybody's accounts were getting fucking phantom traded? They just added some fucking. They just went fucking Uber. They went full Uber on their own platform. You know how Uber had the fucking. They were able to fucking ghost people when the feds were trying to fucking shut them down. You guys ever see Super Pump? That was actually really good. Yeah, I'm not fucking worried about 10 years from now. I'm trying to fucking. I'm not in it. I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. But I don't know. I mean, obviously, I would love for it to be around for 10 years because I'm just getting to the point where I feel like I can be a consistent payout receiver. I want to. I'm working towards becoming a habitual payout receiver. So obviously, what up, lives? What up, live sucker free? Obviously, I would love for all of this shit to be around in 10 years because if I could become a habitual payout receiver and I'm getting payouts all the time, right, every single month from multiple prop firms, I want this shit to be around forever so I could keep getting fucking paid, right? What's up, Arnie? Yeah, but look what's going on with the forex prop firms. You can't even do that shit in the U.S. In most cases, so that shit's gone. It's already been regulated the fuck out of the U.S. Just like crypto is being regulated out of the U.S. Unless the fucking SEC gets their cut. RTY's going nuts again. That's the Russell, right? Is that the Russell? Yeah, we'll be on the stream when Jay's like 80 years old, pounding that confetti like roast beef. Hell yeah. Oh, okay. It's just FTMO. Yeah, who the fuck knows? I'm not even worried about that shit, man. Josette, no, don't worry. I took care of that shit, and I'll take care of it again. As much as I didn't want to have to, but I might, you know, fucking dudes asking me about my wife's fucking OnlyFans and shit last night. Like, the fuck is wrong with you? Total fucking vamp. Fucking vampire. Anyway, I don't like fucking vampires. Yeah, it's 21 days. It's till the end of the month. See, Charisse, 21 days. They're habitual sale extenders. Habitual. My link for Apex and Take Profit Trader are in the description below. My best, I have the best coupon code. In case you didn't know, I have the best coupon code in the world. ZERODAYJAY. Nothing happened. What up, Larry? Nothing happened. I just was super patient with the dude. I tried to be cool with him. Like I was being as cool as fucking possible. And you know how I don't like fucking you know my wife. But yeah, I mean, Zach, you're funny, bro. It's because I'm cussing like a sailor. They're gonna gapex your butthole with the payout investigation. Yeah, I can't fucking wait. Um, but yeah, like I tried to be super. I was as patient as possible, dealing with the fucking all caps and the completely like taking over the chat, telling everybody how to fuck. Well, really just telling me how to fucking trade. Like, and then they would go on there, and then they were like, "Yeah, I'm gonna start streaming for my channel." And they get on the fucking stream, they stream, and they're in one micro after talking all that shit about how awesome of a trader they are. I don't want to fuck. Just shut the fuck up at that point. But then one night, dude was getting fucking a little wild, and I just told everybody, just fucking block him so you don't see his fucking messages, you know. And then he got all mad and told me to ban him. I didn't ban him, and then he didn't show up. Then he shows up out of nowhere yesterday for the first time in like 2 weeks and starts saying shit about my wife. I'm like, you fucking jerk off. So Asian Mund is still long. No, they did extend it. It's right on their website. Look, I took a screenshot. I'll show you. What's crazy? You want to see the craziest part about this screenshot? See Sharice. Look at this shit. Fucking Darrell loves me so much. They literally put best coupon code ZERODAYJAY right on their homepage. I took a screenshot of it. They put my coupon code right there. They said use ZERODAYJ for your coupon code because Darrell knows it's the best coupon code in the world. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate. He's been keeping his ear to the grindstone on the prop firm streets. He knows what's best. But yeah, I took this screenshot like 3 hours ago. So yeah, it's good until the end of the month. 80% off. Yeah, the cat that can't reach the meat says it's rotten. Yeah, all bark, no fucking bite. But no, I added this to the screenshot. They didn't. You think Darrell doesn't even know who I am. They didn't put this in there. I took a screenshot and then I put this little overlay in there. So, you know, for my fucking channel. But yeah, 21. If I go to their website, Apex. 21 days, 18 hours, and 31 minutes. Yeah, this shit's good until the end of the month now. 80% off, 1 day to pass, $35 resets, all that stuff. What's up, Gabriel? Pass 300K evals with this coupon. No doubt. It's magical, man. It's something about it. Let's pound that fucking confetti like roast beef for Gabriel. Chelsea Cerise, you actually believe that? Could you imagine? Could you imagine, bro? Yeah, yeah, AS. I can't exactly, man. But like, there's something to be said about like Asian Mund has been riding. He's been literally sitting in this long this whole fucking time. Like, and he's banking on it. It's banking for him. I just can't sit in a trade. I just don't have the patience to sit in a trade this long. I'm on the same boat. I'm on the fucking DCA gang boat and the fucking scout boat. I like change of direction shit. Fuck man, I'm fucking tired. I have to be up in what? 3 hours, 3 hours and fucking 24 minutes. All right. Time for me to fucking first of all, before I get off, special fucking thanks once again to Voltarin. He hit the super chat. I really appreciate it, man. If you're still on, thank you so much. You really didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it like hugely, if that's a word. I bigly appreciate it. But yeah, really awesome of you, man. You didn't have to do that, but thank you so much. And great, I'm glad all of the Texas peeps are safe. You guys still have a long road ahead of you, man. Just stay safe out there. You know, just fucking damn. Just take it 1 day at a time, man. I've been there with the fucking hurricanes. I hope you guys, hope you guys can get back into your regular routines like as soon as possible. So be good out there, guys from Texas, guys and girls from Texas, and the rest of you guys. I'm gonna bounce. I gotta go to sleep. I will be streaming later on. I'll be streaming later on at like let's figure around 2:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'll try to get on sooner, but that's usually the sweet spot. I will be back on. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I hop on a stream or any video updates that I post. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your night. Um, I'll talk to you soon. I'm going to bed. Peace.